Hey everybody, Andrew here from the Adelaide Appliance Gallery, home of the iconic Mr. Dishwasher, and today's Hints and Tips video is brought to you by our local homebrew product, Power of 4. Anything in this video that you're about to see is always general in nature, so please make sure you always follow manufacturer guidelines when attempting any of this stuff at home. Enjoy.
Alright guys, we've identified that the machine's not washing very well. Detergent might not be coming out of the detergent drawer and the dishes are coming out a bit dirty. There's a couple of things that we can look at for this. One is to make sure that we don't have anything obstructing our spray arms. So they should be able to spin freely when the machine's loaded. Sometimes we have loaded machines and plates and things are hitting the spray arm, so it stops it from spinning, therefore it won't wash correctly. Also, the dangly things that are meant to make our machine smell nice, they're normally in a really bad spot. People hang them here, hits the spray arms, they stop working. The other reason this is our spray arm holes can be blocked up. On the ends here you see two holes, and these are the ones that wash the detergent out of our detergent drawer. To clean these out, we can remove this cap here by turning it quarter away, remove the bottom piece out, use a screwdriver or something thin to poke all the holes, make sure there's nothing in them. You can soak them in hot water for a little while to help loosen any debris or anything that's in that spray arm off, and then do the same thing, poke them out, and then it's just a matter of rattling, tapping until anything falls out and you hear no more noises in that spray arm. Same thing for the bottom spray arm, and most of those guys just pull straight up and out, and then we can do the same thing with that one there. Soak it. Once it's been soaked, poke all the holes, make sure there's nothing in them, and just tap and tap until you hear no more rattles and it's all clear. Once that's all done, hopefully our machine's washing nice and well again.
Well, I hope you found that video of use. For any general maintenance and cleaning of dishwashers and washing machines, we do recommend that you run a descaler through your dishwasher or washing machine. We've got a Power 4 product that does that. We'll be talking a little bit more about Power 4 in a future video, but we recommend running your machine at a 60 or 70 degree cycle to clean out all the gunk and crap. So like, share and comment if you thought that was of use. And you can reach us via the website www.adelaideappliancegallery.com.au, via Instagram and Facebook at Adelaide Appliance Gallery, or if you're in Adelaide, give us a call on 8223 1146.